up your small channel. 3 methods that can blow up your small channel. It is very important to know that your channel can blow up within a second, within a day, within a week. Yes. There is method that you are supposed to use so that your channel or your video or your short can blow up very fast. Yes, number one, by the use of these methods, it can give your videos value and help the YouTube algorithm to blow up your channel. Yes, number one method that can be used to blow up your channel. Yes, use of the Google trend niche. Yes, what is the trend? What is trading? Yes, which country? US, Kenya, Nigeria, UK, Canada, Germany. Yes, what are the best topics that are blowing up on the channel? What are the best topic with the value that are blowing up in these countries? Yes, you by the use of your knowledge, go enter on your Google, you enter on trends. On your trends, search the best topic that you can deliver a good video with value. Yes, by the use of trade, it will help you channel grow very fast. Yes, because those trading topic, the YouTube algorithm will be able to blow up because they will be able to give visibility fast to the people so that your information can blow up very fast because it's trading topic. Yes, if you are using trading topic, use trading, then the second one can be normal, then trading, then normal, like that. Yes, so that plan your content well. Yes, it will help and this will blow up your channel very fast, and your channel will grow because it have a trading topic with the value, and YouTube algorithm will blow up because it have views, so it will give the fast for the visibility for the audience, and they will suggest your videos fast to the audience. Yes, use the trading on your Google trend. Yes, it will help your channel to grow very fast. Yes, method that will blow up your small channel. Number 2 method that will blow up your channel, that is method consistency. Yes, by the use of consistency, you have to be consistent on your editing or posting your videos. You be consistent, like maybe you are posting on Monday, on Wednesday, and on Friday. Yes, be consistent in every week and don't fail. Yes, so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to visualize your visibility and suggest your videos to the viewers because you are consistent. Even before others post or do anything, your videos are being suggested because you are consistent on posting in everything. Yes, you are being very consistent. Be consistent on posting your videos. If it's twice per week, do it twice per week, like that, and your videos will grow and be suggested by the YouTube algorithm. If you don't post consistent, like for example, you post on this week, then you post the next month, then the YouTube algorithm will not be able to suggest your videos because you are not consistent and they don't know you very well. Yes, so they will be consistent or suggesting the videos for the people who are very consistent on their posting or suggesting their videos which are being posted by consistent people because they know them. Yes, be consistent and not lose hope. Yes, try to plan your content before and give value to your videos, and your videos will be suggested and they will blow up very fast. Yes, and the video and the YouTube algorithm like that because you are very consistent. Yes, do like that and your channel will blow up. Method that will blow up your channel. Number 3 method that will blow up your small channel. Yes, that is the multiple thumbnail. By use of multiple thumbnail. When you're posting your videos or when you are posting your channel on your channel, use thumbnail. Use the best thumbnail. Yes, edit your thumbnail which will give value. Maybe create 1 or 2 or 3 thumbnail. Then you keep changing within 24 hours a day. Maybe the first day, after 24 hours you change. After 24 hours you change. Then you see which is giving you more views. When you see this is giving you more views, then use it as your thumbnail, and your views will raise from 0 maybe to 100, from 0 to 1000, from 0 to 1 million. Yes. Then your channel will start blowing up. Yes. Use multiple thumbnail. It is very important. People should use multiple thumbnail on their niche, and your channel or your videos will blow up very, very fast. Yes. Welcome, and may God bless you. Please comment on my channel, and we will suggest which is the method which is working on your niche. Yes, suggest there down. Will be able to answer or know which is the best method. Yes, continue sharing, liking, and subscribing my channel. Thank you.